Thank you so much, Thochan Baptist English School, Kachai. Before we proceed with the program, I would like to highlight the program in order. First of all, we are very honored and grateful to have our chief guest, Sri P. Vaipai, IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, and Member Secretary, Eastern Border Areas Development Authority, and Barak River Valley Development Board, Government of Manipur. We have also in our midst Hani Chara, Director, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. We have our guest of honors as well, Sri K. Debadatta Sharma, Project Director, MIDH and MoMA, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. We have also Sri N. Loya Lakpa, Project Director, Ibada, Eastern Border Areas Development Authority, and BRVDB, Barak River Valley Development Board, Manipur. We will now have the declaration of the festival and inspection of stalls by the chief guests and dignitaries, after which we will have welcome address presented by R.K. Mayasang, Chairman, Kachai Fruit Farm and Processing Cooperative Society, after which we will have a speech from Headman, Kachai Village. We will have releasing of the souvenir by the chief guest after that, which will be followed by cultural dance by Theva Dance Troupe, Theva Village, Senapati District, which will be followed by success stories by the first P.S. Joseph and second S. Ningam Peire. Speech from number 1, guest of honor, and 2, president of the function. After which we will have a special appearance by the talented and dynamic S. Horyawan Peire. And we will have the speech from our chief guest, Honorable Chief Guest, Sri P. Vaipai, IAS. We will have the declaration, of results given by ICAR, Northeast Region, Manipur Center, after which there will be a prize distribution, which will be given to 3 best Kachai lemons and 3 best exhibitor by the chief guest. The program will close with a vote of thanks by Mayangam Humau, Secretary, Kachai Fruit Farm and Processing Limited. The closing prayer of the program will be given by Reverend T. Khangam, Pastor L. Pungthar Baptist Church, which will be followed by auction of the best Kachai lemon, led by Yaulei Horam. We will now have the declaration of the festival and inspection of stalls, led by the chief guest and dignitaries.
I declare the 18th Kachai Lemon Festival State Level at Kachai Local Ground, Kachai Ukhul District, Manipur open.
Thank you so much, Chief Guest. Shri P. Vaipai IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, and Member Secretary, IPATA, and PRVTP, Government of Manipur. And now we will follow with the stall inspection, which will be escorted by the German Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Society Limited. Ramnoshuda thap na insakle adiu ameni kuisa kubu chief guest na stall mathang jugo inspect rule thaida namena mathon tu chupla nameni ningai khang shuja dala omedalang ohon malo jije nameda saklogo phna insakle angsa saude
buy and they say like this is for sir. Okay. This is so.
Hello. Likso Ramnoshur store pam ko closure inspection khatama sigong honmalo ningai sijalo pamase ameni chief guest na yadat ko kluje ningyang khaung su sakse jenoa der likso Ramnoshur da khanang yinlan sakchine nang salokje
Oh, so yeah, I usually hold look at all. So like it's a blessing, you know, it's a blessing for the people. You know, for you to come down directly and you know be with the people. So they have preserved the best for you. By the way, sir, is one of the biggest plant is I want to be there. And also,
Thank you.
sir, if we don't get something about those, sir, no, we came down here for the ICSC project, and only missing thing is please go ahead. Sir, city, this is very unique in the world. Some processing unit, they have no, the government is given, somehow it is not working, and we feel so sad about it. So the one with the lips also.
Advertise the beer. Short and chan beer before. Kachai level production surplus area have a madu people will say as supply because there are few things which we will make announcement. There are certain things project even here they already know. We already come around. Thank you so much and all the best to all of you.
Hello. Chief guest na ida the inspections at mung delay laga yari ni program jithei milishi delay welcome at nextly he kagup masuda welcome address RK Mayasang chairman KFF and PCS LTT releasing of souvenir he later by chief guest and sorry speech from headman releasing himatarang laga speech hi thumui kyashi khangyi acting headman queer jiwithili releasing of souvenir he chief guest kwika mira kala culture tensi theiwa dance troupe theiwa village senapati district success story hi khani leidalai PS Joseph ina S ningam phairi Color speech from guest of honor 1 to Lee president of the function Chiwitili special appearance as Horyawan Periwen Le Lishitra Chiwitili speech from chief guest we end speech kan Nasam Panglira declaration of result he ICAR and NAH region Manipur Center atum the workshop mirror color prize distribution he 3 pairs Kachai Liman and 3 pairs exhibited by the chief guest. Vote of thanks he itumwi KFF and PCS LTTW secretary Mayangam Kumauda.
here too, Modi sir. कचाई प्रदर्शन है नैन मंगलों की हो
Kunati the Gisu Lai sir, Kunasi surrounding area ko. Oi, the card the two layer, so me am
नैन मंगलों की हो नैन मंगलों की हो yes this good
That's true. Last year the 118 of them. 118 of them, 266 hour, big hour.
Ram Fajare Yam Fajare thank you so much आई ना हाई बच्चे बाप दादरे आई करो करो साहब ना कोई ना हेलो हेलो याम थके तेरे को याम फरे याम बजरे याम अरे थैंक यू कचाई the thing देखो lemon degi your economy will get really boosted. Only thing is 2-3 things. One, processing. 2, cold storage. Number 3, export. Now marketing. Manuel ko. Thank you. Yam thagat jere ko. Thagat jere yam nungare. Hoy. Yam padabo sokre. Good. Ram Fajare Yam Nungare. Ene na Mangolo Biro.
Kunati the Gisu lucky, sir.
Hoy.
The surrounding area.
Yam Nungare Yam Nung Sigrada. Good. Keep it up, huh?
What?
Oh, these are the saplings.
Yes.
Very nice. Yam Fajare Thagat Jari. Thank you.
Entrepreneur one day. Biggest farmer money. Kampra so
Right.
no.
Jason, I know very well.
He shoot
We used to stay in my house. Good. Yam Nungare.
Kunati the Gisu Yam.
Good. If you look around, the hills are at a distance. No hill which is overshadowing
We have the Tangkhul Express. We have as well ISTV News. We have Tom TV, Impact TV, Elite TV, Thaudang, News 18. We are grateful that these media teams are here with us today to cover this event.
stall pom mi khaya ram now bing lega chung ganing shere na thumna na thumi ma thamai thui gi ja thai khura laga e chumui phani thi mapung kapha hiwi hile sharukhi khami juwang ara ichumu inspection hi kupkasang ngasuda welcome address and presentation hi RK Mayasang Chairman Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Society Limited na khumira chikagup ngasuda speech hi acting headman Kachai Village na khumira. Thank you so much, chief guest and the dignitaries, for the declaration of festival and inspection of the stall. Once again, thank you so much, chief guests and dignitaries, for making this occasion a grand success one. Mathang liara itum na welcome address, kala presentation hi itumwi, laigishia RK Mayasang German Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Society Limited na atam khuimirano.
Honorable Chief Guest Sri P. Vaipai, IAS Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department and Member Secretary, IPATA and PRVTP, Government of Manipur. Functional President, Ma'am Hani Chara, Director, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. Guest of Honor, Sri K. Tepadatta Sharma, Project Director, MITH and MoMA, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. Sri N. Loya Lakpa, Project Director, IPATA and PRVTP, Manipur. And various media houses, VIPs in and out of the districts, sponsors, various guests from different places, visitors, exhibitor and Kongnai Ramnao, Pingala, Kachai Richum Now. I, on behalf of the Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited, welcome you all to the 18th Kachai Lemon Festival, state level, 13th-14th January 2022. Waiter Shina, Patte Hairasu, Khangna farmer singi turn up si yango ngasi se asina proof oire akhoi ki champra se farmer sing se yam khatle kala production sisu yam khatle haibgi proof amane adu champra se how important is the festival to the farmer haibgi proof amasu si oire ningsi ki changkhat haire stall ka pumping kala program hi ungsung na sak Lakra the Razang mi ghai ramnao, Kongnai ramnao, Kala apam kangate na Razang mi ghai, mi kachi vuli, Salam let vida kamien and so the welcome salushitale. Firstly, I would like to thank God for land that He has given us, for blessing our farms and gracing us with opportunities. And I want to thank once again to all the dignitaries for willingly traveling long distances to be here. Serves as a reminder to us all how important the Kachai Lemon Festival is. This year our theme is Organic Kachai Lemon for Safe Environment and Rural Transformation. This call is as pertinent as it was 18 years ago. It's a vision I know we all shared, not only to become the highest producer of organic Kachai lemon in the state, God willing, to become the highest producer of organic lemon in the country. Is it possible? Yes. Through all your unceasing support, we can. thereby contributing to the rural transformation. Consumption of Kachai lemon is beneficial for our health, as sustainable and eco-friendly plantation practice is for earth. Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited recognizes awareness and training programs as the foundation that will bring maximum benefit to our farmer and inspire the young generation of entrepreneur. We had and will organize training programs like importance of soil health, organic Kachai lemon farming, beekeeping, lemon peel oil extraction, and chocolate making, etc. Pest management training has helped many farmers yield more produce, as you can see over the years. We have also produced grafting, cutting, layering experts from this village. In the past 3 years, we have planted approximately around 1 lakh Kachai lemon sapling plants, and we have our target to plant at least 10,000 sapling plants per year. If one plant gives 20 kg fruit, then this year we are expecting 15,000 plants will give fruit at least 20 kgs. If it's translated monetarily, it comes to around 3 lakhs kgs into 60 rupees, then it will come around 1.8 crores per year. Rural transformation is possible. Currently, society maintains 50 hectares of public land allotted by the village authority for lemon plantation, which will be put to use in accordance with our mission for 5 years. To realize this mission, our vision is to realize this mission and our vision in the long term, we need to scale up, and this we need machinery, common facility center for food processing, cold storage to get maximum benefit without wastage, guest house, and good market linkage. Therefore, we would like to request all the dignitaries, VIPs to help achieve the said vision and mission of the society. And before I hand over to our compeers, who will outline the day's various events, I want to say once more on behalf of the Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited, welcome. It's wonderful to see you, many of you here. Thank you.
Thank you for the welcome address, R.K. Mayasang. We will now have presentation. I request our chairman, R.K. Mayasang, to come forward and do the honor. First of all, we have our chief guest, Sri P. Vaipai, IAS, and Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, and Member Secretary, Ibada and BRVDB, Government of Manipur. Next, we have our functional president, Hani Chara, Director, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. Next, we have our guest of honor, Sri K. Debadatta Sharma, Project Director, MIDH and MoMA, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. Next we have Sri N. Loya Lakpa, Project Director, Ibada and BRVDB, Manipur. Next we have Sri Yete Khupsorel Koireng, District Horticulture Officer, Ukhrul District, Manipur. Next we have Editor, The Tangkhul Express, Director Ramngachan Ningshen. We would like to show our love to P. Joel, son of our chief guest, P. Vaipai. We have next Editor, ISTV News, Richard Ranjan, followed by Editor, Tom TV, Hemchandra. Apang kaphe mi say. Next, we have Editor of Impact TV, Bobo. Next, Editor, Elite TV, Noren. Editor, Elite TV, Noren. Next, we have Editor of Thaudang, Megajit. After which, we will have News 18. News 18. Next, we have Dr. T.H. Homan, Assistant Professor, Tribal University. Dr. T.H. Homan, Assistant Professor, Tribal University. Next, we have Mr. Shimri Rai Singh, TKS President. Mr. Shimri Rai Singh, TKS President. Next, we have Nongthombam Premjit, Social Worker. Nongthombam Premjit. Nongthombam Premjit. Next, we have RK Sana Jauba. RK Sana Jauba, social entrepreneur.
That will be the end of our presentation. Thank you so much, Chairman, Fruit Farming and Processing Society Limited, for the welcome address and doing the honor. Up next, we have speech. Ara itumna speech, Headman Kachai Village when Kangna Sampangra, Jena Ara Atam hi Headman Kachai Village li Midale.
Ikai khumna vayaba Chief Guest Sri P. Baipai IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, and Member Secretary IPATA and PRBTP, Governments of Manipur. Functional President Onijera, Director, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Governments of Manipur. Guest of Honor, Sri K. Depatita Sharma, Project Director, Meat and MoMA, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Governments of Manipur. Sri N. Loyalakpa, Project Director, IPATA and PRBTP, Manipur. Ming Pandrabsu Lakliba Dignitary Mayambu Kunasiki Mutta Nungaiba Amsung Haraupaga Loinena Mayambu welcome Taujiri. Auchik 18 Shuraba Kachai Limon Festival State level asita isa ki achenba thabak leirabusu thatok kharaga festival asita yam interest lobiraga masita lakpagi ai kunisiki hetman amawaina harauba nungai baga lainena welcome tawri auchik Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society shi Village Authority ki ayaba ki makhada established toba society amani. Aduga masigi membership asi Kachai loinamak householder loinamak sina membership lauraga linkat pa society amani aduga asumaina chetharaga hauchik ahan bada district level society oina leirame adubu matamgi matung inna hauchik state level oina status ashi leire yam nungaye adubu hanegi mapamdagi changing purak panina aikhui ki festival asishu changing ama purak labati matuna henna nungai pa amale adubu aiki khangba phawbadagi hanegi district level matam da laibagum na changing asi kya laidabugum tawe status si yang labadi state level ta lere adubu ekoi gi festival gi mowong matawsi changing si kya leite haina masi panbata kaisu kairo haina khalle aduna hauchik government ki taraf tagi lakliba concern department tagi lakliba ekoi ki officer singbu ai khun ki khuncha sing ki on behalf hoina appeal tawning badi farmer sing na champrasi khara chauna paikhat na bagi tamakta mateng pangba haisi leidrabadi ekoi na chitna tawning labsu tawba ngamdaba maram yam leye aduna ekoi ki limon ekoi ki champrasi protection si chaukat se herabati yam thokan se herabati farmer singbu encourage to biro aduga government taraf tagi mateng pangba yaba makai to biro hebsi ainingi ekoi na thabak ama tawge haibusu खुटलाई लेद्रबती लान सोकने के है रबसु नोंगमई सी फचेना नोंगमई लेद्रबती एकोई लान ngमोय अदुना एकोई फार्मर सिंगना प्रोजेक्ट अचौबा पाइखत के है रबसु फार्म अचौबा पाइखत के है रबसु पैसा चंगे कुचु कुतलाई चंगे मसीगी mahik insect champrabu chaba insect si han ke iripti hitak tarkar tawi aduna asi kumba loin magsi government na yari makai mateng pirapati ekoi ki farmer singsu moina paikhat ka to ba project pharmacy phachena mamutana paikhat pangam gari aduga khunasina aduga neighboring village asina protection si yam khatlabati protection si yam chauna thoklabati masi ekoi gi manipur state ki chauthok ningai ni area sikhak ki nate khunasi mak ki nate adubu manipur state na chauthok ningai ni aduna farmer sing asipu government taraf tagi aduga mostly concerned department horticulture department tagi masi yari makai mateng pangpio haina aina masi request tawningi aduga farmer sing nasu government taraf tagi mateng pangnabati successful wegni haina ainingi aduga ngasigi limon festival si mapung phapa festival oisinu haina airaga masida thamjarake thank you
yam thakachari ekhoi gi headman speech pp bagi tamakta hojikti next we have I request honorable chief guest to release the souvenir of the 18th Kachai Lemon Festival state level Kachai village Ukrul district. Yari Saikoro na pang famisi.
Thank you so much, Chief Guests and dignitaries, for releasing the souvenir. Up next, we will witness a dance troupe from Teva. We now proudly present to you the vibrant culture dance troupe of Teva. Ara itumna, Teva dance troupe wena, paichak kayang sampangra, jen atamji Teva dance troupe li midale.
Respected chief guests and all the audience gathered here, this will be the traditional cultural dance of Teva. Classically, it is the traditional style of farmers in the Teva village. First step, it is the process of excavation, which is taking off the battlefield. It is a step towards three seasons of spring. Seed sowing season, mostly coming in the month of April. And here it comes the rainy seasons. It's a time of ploughing that plough the land plots to obtain good health. a season of transplantation, transplanted on the main field. Now it comes a time to maintain the battlefield for the farmers. Harvesting or reaping. God of reaped grains for harvest. It symbolises to gather the gathered wheat grains to the paddy threshing net. It is a sample that collected grains from the mat and brought towards safety home. Those two pledges will be heavy or weighty load of heavy pine, and which will be carried by the strongest man and woman among them.
Saiva cultural dance troupe ka chung ganing shere itumui shangla kahayang ashan awai na kathada okthui sa gaji itumle mathala ke na nasina itumle sajthemi khai juwang shokra dakle khani thot pingwi wang la itum athayaw sangmi laga itumui shangla khaya ngashan hi ngayaw wa se gaji hangai ara itumna success story mai khayawi kharjan gaji hi mi khani wena khangna sampangra chena khare sa da PS Joseph khakhaneli S ningam phaire chena ina atam hi moron da athumira khui gawai mira chena chima khuirang laga atama khali tangkhul khuwa khali chupli sai je chupli sa chena ramwi mi pingjina speech khamili sangna khuyai da kharnaw pingjina as speakerly cha chammi ja laga ungai re da hangi je chena ka shapai nang dai itum atam hila matha da mene sak vai sa se program itum wi kya shi bai ma so gala dignitaries pingla chung gale de le chena atum wi convenient la ta da yang laga atum li la da ma mai shi ga vai itum ka shapai nang da atam hi jekchin la na sing se ge hi hangai chena ara atam hi BS Joseph limited le chena chui ma thangli S ningam phaire na atam jira khumira no
Honorable Chief Guest, aduga mabu lakmin naba leader mayam mamengi kiri department noi khangde asum mayam luchung bambiam mai batare aibu free farm ki German secretary do executive singna farm success ki maramda khara haibiyo haibagi ai lepani asida makai na matam pibasi yam nungai jai aina haigidaba yam nati airoi minute anya humgata aini ai koi kachai sita champra siti yam pachagrabni atu aina hectare ma kumpal champra farm tawdun le atu ka government ki substitute facility amasu laudre ai imfarda ki imfarda aini yom pasi quintal mangatru kyolle ukorda chu quintal mangatru kyolle champra di ekoi kachai siti chengwa shunu tampakwa shunu yam pachagrabni government na Manipur government na facility ashi khara panglabdi aje musik mugraba chengasi champra komla na ngangsik ngangbigini aina ai khallibni ashi tampak chu channa phagrabni jeng musik mugrabdu chu champra yam pachagrabni adu Manipur government asina ekoi bu matyan khara pirabdi masi tampak sinu chengwa sinu champara ni decoration tawbigina aina khallebni aduna kanbiyo ikoi luchung bamakai Manipur ki free farm ki luchung bamakai ikoi kechai asibu nungsidna kra yeng biyo aidna masi airibni ayasi champara farm ki machani ba ahum subani adu wariyam mai share du matamna lairoi Masina roi bo erage. Thank you.
Thank you. Higata ring pa mai thui gja tam igata hilila chikami da he will stay sile itu mai kyashi ga ba chief case guest of honor functional he we German sa da kle we mangali tui ma tui hwai hunaka we wang ลุยขวาวิ่งใจลี success story ก็จะวิการขนาสัมกับพังขังสักวิครั้งจันเอาเดียวไม่หังขวายอัตมือวิบางนิเชีย thank you คุยกี่อีกไกคุมบัดยาระบายคุยกี่ chief guest functional สิกี่ chairman ไวบิริบา ma'am ฮันนี่เจราอะตุกะคุยกี่ guest of honor ไวบิริบาคุยคุณจิตดียาม family ดอกระบาคุณสิกี่พิพามลอยนมักอูริบาอากุดอาตงลอยนมักอูยังชินบิริบาคุยอีมรักชิดาแรงบิริบาคุยอีกไกบัดยาระบาอีกไกคุมบัดยาระบาคุยกี่sir เทบตตามาสิเชไอยามทักเลยมันอัตบมิงลอยมักปัญจารวยปัญจกุมกะเกอดูว่าอินปันนิงบดีไอ้นวารีชานิงบดี success story กีวารีดูตั้งหายบิโรหายบกิตมักตาไออินคนกันน่ะตัวบมินีเราบมินีไอ้น่ะ2006ตะลิงบะโฮมันไอ้จำราบมาคงสิงเชลิงดีบัมคงเสีย around 2,500 กุมบาทเลยไอ้กี่ area estimate เสีย around ไอ้นักขันบดา exactly ไอ้ที่ majority ตัวเดียอดูบุคอยตั้งบักเดเลยดีบ่ลาวรักไผ่โตมให้น่ะเลยดีบ่จักรดูไอ้เป็ดตัวเองบักกันเนี่ยไอ้กี่เราเพิ่มเสีย more or less 3 hectares กุมบาทดีช่วยน่ะดีเลยเราไม่ได้ให้ขันเลยไอ้น่ะ extension plan เดเลยดี extension plan น่ะเสีย around ช่วงขันบดาไอ้เสียไอ้น่ะหับจังก็ได้บ่14 by 14, 12 by 12 ให้น่ะ row to row plan to plan ไว้น่ะไอ้ทำใจรีบาดูดาไอ้น่ะ plan ตัวดีสิดาอุจิกเชไอ้ extension plan สิดา more or less 2000 กุมบดีจังขี้กระไรน่ะขัลลีอะดู plan กันน่ะตัวดีลักลีบัจฮีสิดายาระดีอิโซน่ะจามบีระดีไอ้น่ะ extend ตัวทุกระกะมาทั้งดาไอ้คุยอุจิกเช function เส18สุเร2021 กุมบดีไอ้น่ะช่วยนั่นน่ะสมัยน่ะเจ้าน่ะผู้ทุกบังงำกันนี่ให้น่ะ or อะดูก็เดินน่ะ one of the monopoly fruit of Manipur ให้บางสักทีสิผู้ทุกบังงำกันตราให้น่ะโอ้ขนาดเส target เสตัวเราก็เลยเจอรีไอ้น่ะกุจิกเสมาพัมมาสิดาสมัยน่ะเล็บพันบางบักดันยามทักลีอะดูก็เดินน่ะลักลีบัสิดา19กิจเดีไอ้คอยเลวบลอยนมักนะเรามีลอยนมักนะดาร์กตัวดีน้อยลักลีบะมาปานตะกี้จังลักลีบะมาปานตะกี้ใจเฟสติวัลลิมอนเฟสติวัลสิบุยยังบลักบะกางปูน้อยลอยนมักปูไอ้คอยกระจายสิดาฟาร์มเมอร์วารีบะฟาร์มอามาวันน่ะตัวดีบะเราบะมีไม่ยามนักเกจิอามาดี next year ดีปีรักแกงั้นสิดีปีละมวยเชียงนั่นนะให้แกงั้นสิดีปีบังงำเดะอะดูบุไอ้คุย target ตัวนี้ไอ้คุย farmer สิงเช่คุณจะนักขัลลีคุณสิงเช่ more or less lead farmer สิงเช่20 กุมภาพันธ์เลยเขาดีอะดูบุ next year ดี19 กี festival state level สิดีไอ้คุย state level เช่ไอ้คุยกีคุณกีกระจาย fruit farming association นะชูอามุกุดมาดูดะบางกันบิริบะ horticulture department government of Manipur สินะชูไอ้คนเลวสิงูมีสิงลอยนมักสิบุเตียงบังบิเรหะระกะ next year สิดีไอ้น่ะ high river target as a 1 kg of package will be distributed to all the visitors of our village to meet to witness the Kachaliman festival high bisi high ninge last theไอ้น่ะมุกหันน่ะไอ้คอยยี่ chief caseงั้นสิบุญจามมาตั้มสิดามาตั้มเจริญบมาตั้มสิดาน้องสินะพัดเราชูให้นักขลังมันอีโชกีบังกลมายานะน้องห่างทกปีเรยามน้องไอเรยามทักกันเลยอาดูบุเห็นทกนะมุกอ่ะไอ้นั่นลาสหายนิ่งบุเดย์คอยกี่คุณสิดาตัวนี่หลักปีริบะสวัสดีบัดดานังกิมาเต้านังน่ะปังปีบกิตมังนะนังน่ะไอ้คอยกู look after เต้าปีบกิตมังตาไอ้คอยกุมซีสิมาทั้งเต้าเราก็จำปราเสพัดจันบังคัดเลยให้สินังวันไอ้สักขีเต้าไปจับนี่ thank you
success story libiraba BS Joseph ka S Ningam Phairebu yam thagat zari noigi mai pakpa wari aikhoi mayambu penna libi bagi. Mathangda nextly program itumui hiwi schedule himatarang laga a presentation atam kuikara jena issue with chairman na atam jirau khumirano khare sada TKS president Mr. Shimri Rai Singh. Nextly Nongthongpam Premchit, social worker. Nextly RK Sana Chauba, architect. Nextly Dr. Maitram Uttam Luwang, SBI Ukhrul branch manager. Thank you so much. Up next, we will have a speech from our guest of honor and president of the function. So may I now request our guest of honor, Shri K. Dipatata Sharma, project director, MITH and MoMA, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur, to kindly take your stage.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here. Respected Chief Guest, Sri P.Y. Fai, our Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Member Secretary Ivada and BRVDDB, as well as who is also Chairman of Manipur Organic Mission Agency, respected Madam Hani Chara, Director Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur, and the dignitaries on the dais, including District Officer of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Ukhrul, friends from service provider, Diocesan Social Service Society, scientists from KVKs, particularly KVK Ukhrul, my media friends, most importantly, ngasigi laiba farmer Isilino Kasai gi village gi amadi adjoining village gi invitees mayam lakpiriba punabukpu aina ihan hana kuramjari tasengna corona na maram moidna 1 year gumbadi pulap mamangi sahidadi lepurba matungda latest pangthokiba Kasai Lemon Festival adudagi handakna asugi matik hengatpasi ubada ahanbada yamna nungaiba phawai masina aikoina honajariba ngasibawbuda Kasai village ki damakta Kasai Lemon gi farmers singi damakta horticulture department na honore ibase masigi kharma khaidi mahi yale haidna ai ahanbada thamjiningi sigi production and productivity the hengatpa to say at a scale of around 3 times or 4 times hengalakpa haibisi thathagi thabak nati aduga quality su mamangai oidre quality mamang da yengba matamda fruit ki quality si yamna sigang naba juicy oidaba am oibani now it has improved tremendously masimak Kasai Lemon farmers ki each individual farmer nakoina contribute toba nakoigi labor time nakoigi skill dedication punamaktuna masi purakpa ngambani aduna masigi grand success bumper harvest se nakoigi solely nakoigi achauba adumba contribution kaya dagi oibani haibase masi masu ai kasai lemon thariba farmers singda madu nakoi da punna masigi achauba mai pakpa sigi damakta congratulation hainingi aikoina organic farming gi haurakpa 2016 gi matam adwai dagi haurakpa matam da kasai lemon si phase 1 mission organic value chain development for northeastern region sigi makada phase 1 gi makada aikoina selected crop farm oina happy si happy bagi maram di karigino haibada number 1 masi geographical indication phangaba adumba fruit thamani prithvi gi manungda kachai hariba village sida thaba lemon se masi yamna unique koiba magi nutritional content ta yengurgasu aduga taste yengurgasu yamna khenaba adumba lemon namo oibagi masi GI tech ekoi phangba ngambane GI tech phangbagi kudong chabadu lawraga masigi area sida khara kanna khara hen focus tawraga branding and marketing gi achauba lambi ama purakna bahonabada ekoi masida focus tawbani 2016 da akoina mafam sida ahanba introduce tawba matamda introduce means ekoi sagi intervention je akoi schemes ki makhada leigiba matamda organic farming ji introduce tawba matamda only around 32000 plants kaktamak whole village da hoba koi ki survey report lay however ngasi 2022 gi horakpa 21 bhaugi data da yengragadi more than 2 lakhs plant ekoi hengalakpa haibisi tremendous increase ni yam chauba success amani haidna ai thamjaningi ai gi department gi oiba wafam kaya phongdok kadauba ngasi gi chief guest oibiriba respected ekoi sarwai faisu leiri madam hani chara su leiri ai matam yamna logjaroi matung tarakpada ekoina plan toba kayama kachai village ki damak lei ekoina as a official amoina department gi MOVCD gi MIDH ki in charge gi officer in charge amoina aina haijaba taragadi ngasi leibiriba kachai lemon gi thabiriba farmer ichilinau youth Sinaulong gi kangbu sing pulap punsan biraga ngasigi cooperative society na silliba sigumba festival se masida thawai yauna thogle iba sigi mawong sina takpadi akhoi gi farmers sing si yamna united toina thabak tominari haibasi su akhoina ubu fange masigi khudong chabasi lawraga na akhoi kari toba yai haibudo tanaro kanda akhoi Kachai Lemon Festival je thuna yamna chaukhatnaba thabak tawsi haiba wafam kharase masi haijaraga mafam sida matang sida conclude tawjage thank you so much
Thank you, sir, for the speech, for encouraging us. And next we have Sri N. Loyalakpa, Project Director, IPATA and PRVTB, Manipur.
अहानब मक्तदा ईश्वरबु थागले मरमदी नोंग मंगबा नोंग जुबा वेदर फजदबा मयाम अमा मांगना मतम चाना अखोइगी फेस्टिवल सिबु माइ पांगना पांगथोकबा याननबा नोंग हंगन बिबगिदम थागचरी इकाई खुमनबदा मतिक चारबा अखोइगी थौबु इबिरिबा श्री मिंगोइना पंजरबदा श्री पी बाइफाई IAS Additional Chief Secretary Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Member Secretary Ibada and BRVDB Government of Manipur Ikai Khundaba Uchari Director Madam Hanichara Devadatta Project Director MoMA Directorate Horticulture की staff officer सिंह आइगी official staff सिंह खुल्लजी की pastor निंगथौ church की मकोक थोंग सिंह इमा इबेल
amadi nungsijaraba isininaw media gi imphal gi langmineriba khudingmak puso ikai khumbu chari haugiba chahida aikoi covid ki maramna aikoi program pangthokpa ngamde aikoi gi ibada hariba saruk asina masida saruk yajaba sidi aikoi masida pangthokliba senthum changliba mayam changadawad mayam se aikoina mokhoigi damta project semaga aikoina North Eastern Council dagi senthang khara khara lawbiraga mokhoigi masida support tawbibasini aikoina lawba role se aduga thido hinona hojikti aikoi department gi generate kadai kadai da aikoiga sanminaba matamda moina thabak fazana pangthok piram sing uba phange maramdi generation ama lai hojikti yamna khang heiba thabak fazana changkhon tawba se aikoi hojik kanna inot ama aikoi laglibani department ga loinana masi aikoi bu chingbiriba ming panjarabda sarvai feibu thagalle maramdi magi thauna phaba magi insan biba support morally physically khudimak tamana aikoi bu support tawibani darkar laiba matamda matam pungpham yengdana aikoi bu matam chubada thogat piba sigi maram na suni aikoi thuido henona thabak singda aikoina khong yangna thabak chatpa ngamba boundary leitana aikoina thabak tawba ngamba khudimak sing se masi chu ma bu yam thagachari magi punchi magi thabak thoram su ishorna chauna bor pibo isino mayam na su parthana tawisi asugumba officer mayam gi thabak phajana tawba jati bi jati yengdana adu ada yengdana mi khudimuk bu phajana support tawbiba ngamba si aikoi gi manakta lakbi bagi dam ta sunga si thodo henona thagachari aduna hojik aikoi gi success story li khiba ahal ani aikoi gi marup ani do man hairam se adum aikoi gi staff sing aikoi khangna khanan nei nei adu aikoi chu yenge aina haigadabu aikoi khunji gi leader oiribra sing se toina office ta lengbirakba aikoi gi project scheme daw matam sangai liman festival gi matam da natadana aikoi atoba matam da su lakpio haibani aikoina haibaje haidana su lai haibidi aikoina chawkhat thorangi matam gi paikhaliba project matam gi tawriba mayam se aikoina udragadi hek ningsang ba thoktaba haibidi thabak yam chinbagi maramna tanja chaba matam da aikoi project so habaga khungang asida aikoi gi champrana ngaksang ngangan budo adumaina su ngangan ba yabjani aikoi ibada su aikoi land fazana use tawdana hangaga wasteland leiriba mayam aikoina karamba mafamda aikoi magi chanaba kai lege haibise aikoi su yengaga aikoina project ama semgal piraga aikoina atoba aikoi Indian government gi agency jingdagi aikoina paisa lobiraga moigi bu project tahonbse aikoi gi thabakni aduna Manipur government asu aikoi yam pangbiraga leibani aina haijakribudani aikoi gi makok thongbusing department gi director officer singsu aikoi gi ibadada fazana help tawbiraga aikoina tawrukba proposal khudimak moina harau harauna matam khudingda thong hangbiraga support tawyudana leibani sida su aikoi hena thoido hinungna aikoi gi thabakta yamna progress oi yamna khumang chawchale aikoi singmi tami hena naksanbagi pangal adusu khoina phangaga kanna thabak chathajari thoido khedongna haijaningai leite aikoi ibada amadi aikoi gi authority gi taraptagi ngamjaba khara aikoi gi ngasi gi organizing committee gi chairman mayasung gi khutta aikoina ngamjaba ibada gi taraptagi lupa lising kun khak aikoi gi sar idisnet chief secretary bu koksinjaraga hand over tawjaramge masi khaktang aikoi ibada gi taraptagi ngasi gi oina aikoi khut sinajaramge haibasi haijaraga mayamdagi tar bidai logjari thank you.
Thank you so much, Guest of Honor Shri N. Loya Lakba, Project Director IPATA and PRVTP Manipur, for your word of wisdom and encouragement and your generosity. It is a distinct honor to request our functional President, Hani Chara, Director, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur, to deliver the presidential address.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm immensely delighted to see such a vibrant tradition and heartwarming gesture of the organizing committee of the state level, the 18th Kachai Lemon Festival 2022, and on the theme Organic Kachai Lemon for Safe Environment and Rural Transformation. I'm also immensely happy to have our chief guest in the midst, Sri P. Vaipai, IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, and guest of honor, Sri K. Devadatta Sharma, Project Director, MoMA, and Mission Director, MITS, and Sri N. Loyalakpa, Project Director, IBADA, and BRV, DB. And all the dignitaries on the dais who have gathered here to celebrate and commemorate this beautiful occasion with your presence. I would like to take this opportunity to encourage the farmer that the Kachai lemon, which is widely grown and specially suited in this Kachai village of Ukhrul district, and commonly known as the pride of Manipur, is found only in the village of Kachai. The geographical indication tag being conferred to this uniqueness is a great achievement, and I congratulate the MoMA team for their effort in materializing this GI tagging. Taking this opportunity, it is my humble appeal to the people of Kachai to devote and popularize this Kachai lemon farming through production of quality seedlings and grafted saplings to further boost the production in the state and capture the domestic and international market. And it is also my earnest request to all the people, and especially the farmers, to kindly participate in the large number in the training camp workshop program scheduled to be held tomorrow, and enhance the knowledge in terms of scientific cultivation practices that are essential in tackling insect pest management, organic cultivation approach, processing technique, etc., encompassing all climate change associated aspects, which will be delivered and trained by the experts. With these few words, I would like to conclude my speech. Once again, thank you for your warm welcome, and wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2020 for a bumper Kachai lemon harvest. Thank you. And I would like to request the chairman of this organizing committee to kindly come and take a gift as an appreciation of organizing this beautiful Kachai Lemon Festival from our side. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Hanichara, Functional President, for the speech. And up next, we have a special appearance from Ms. S. Horyawan, the winner of Kachai Got Talent, and also Sansas winner of Sansas Got Talent 2019, and also the runners-up of 2020 Zingtun Longpang. You may come and take your time.
see your brother standing by the road with a heavy load from the city shore. And if you see your sister falling by the way, just stop and say, you're going the wrong way. You've got to try a little kindness, show a little kindness, just shine your light for everyone to see. And if you try a little kindness, then you'll overlook the blindness of the narrow-minded people on the narrow-minded streets. Don't walk around the town now, lend a helping hand instead of talk. And the kindness that you show every day will help someone along their way. You've got to try a little kindness, show a little kindness, just shine your light for everyone to see. If you try a little kindness, then you'll overlook the blindness of the narrow-minded people on the narrow-minded streets. You've got to try a little kindness, show a little kindness, just shine your light for everyone to see. If you try a little kindness, then you'll overlook the blindness of the narrow-minded people on the narrow-minded streets. Of the narrow-minded people on the narrow-minded streets. Thank you.
That was Try and Little Kindness by Horyawan Peire. Thank you so much for the befitting number. May we now take the proud privilege of requesting the Chief Guest, Shri B. Vaipai IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, and Member Secretary, IPATA, and PRVTP Government of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, the Chief Guest. Shall we all rise to our feet and welcome? Welcome, sao we say.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please be seated. On this very auspicious occasion of the 18th Kachai Lemon Festival State Level 2022, it is my very, very happy privilege to be in your midst this morning. I am happy to see my Director, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Hani Chara, who is also the Member Secretary of Manipur Organic Mission Agency. I was very proud to hear the success stories from the farmers who are involved in the key production of Kachai lemon. To take the name of my project director, Sri K. Devdatta Sarma, who is the project director of Mission Organic Manipur Agency, as well as MIDH, which stands for Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture. My other project director for Eastern Border Area Development and Barak River Valley Development Board, Sriyan Loyal Akpa, was also here speaking to you. I am also accompanied by various other officials from my department, some of whom are extremely competent and about whom I am very, very proud of. In fact, I stand here very proudly in front of you, primarily because of the competence of the officers of my department. Led by our Honorable Chief Minister, who is in charge of the Horticulture Department, I am very fortunate to be in this department. And it so happened that things have cleared up after the initial COVID pandemic, and therefore we could look forward to sponsoring this Kachai Lemon Festival this year. And I find myself very happy to be in this village once more after 21 years. The last time I came, I was chief guest of the Sansa program on this very ground in 2001. And I have seen that the village have progressed a lot, not only in terms of various other parameters, but also in terms of the parameters by which I will see the progress associated with Kachai lemon. When I last came 21 years back, I had seen the Kachai lemon, I had seen the processing, or let us say with due regards, the relatively primitive processing of the Kachai lemon for production of pickles, juices and various other products. Today, while doing the round of this 260 odd stalls, I was very happy to note that some modern packaging and very attractive production packagings have been visible in most of the stalls. And that itself augurs very well for Kachai lemon. Kachai lemon is one horticulture product which can change the socio-economic facet of not only Kachai village but the entire region. And that is the reason why it is so important. I have seen this, I have heard this, I have been through this in some capacity or the other. But fortunately now I am coming here in your midst in my capacity as the Administrative Secretary of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, and this is the department that will help you, that should help you, and that to which you will look forward to. I was informed that certain infrastructures have been created in the village, but apparently it has not reached the expectation of the farmers. I have a few things which I would like to share with the very important Kachai lemon farmers of Kachai and its surrounding villages. We talk of enhancing the production of Kachai lemon. We talk of trying to give proper treatment to Kachai lemon so that the various attacks which it faces occasionally is taken care of immediately so that the produce or the harvest can have good socio-economic benefit for the farmers as well as the villagers in general. But when we talk of enhancing the production, that poses the challenge for ensuring how to make the best use of the additional production. And that is where I would like to share a few information. One is this horticulture department has come up with the reconstruction of the Macfruit factory, which is in the final stage of coming into function. The physical construction of the Macfruit factory has been completed. The machineries are being set up as of now, and the functional requirement of funds have also been provided already. And very soon we will be commissioning the factory. Once that comes up, it will come up with a very huge capacity compared to the previous mac fruit factory which we used to know. And this will be very, very modern. And at a certain point of time when we are talking and considering what to do and how best to use the mac fruit factory which we are re-establishing, the information that Kachai lemon is doing very well and its production is increasing is very, very good news for the factory. We will be able to take care of all your producers. The success story farmers who were telling about the possibility of enhancing the production further by next year should not feel any fear for lack of market for their Kachai lemon in the coming years. From this year onwards, we will be able to take care of that. The other aspect is horticulture department as a whole has been doing very well. Very recently, about a month back, we have started opening organic outlets in places like Bangalore, places like Pune. We are planning to open in places like Delhi, Kolkata, and various other places also. In addition, the department has already had very good experience in exporting organic pineapples, organic chakhao, organic king chili, umarok. Various other organic products have been exported, not just to neighboring countries, but even to Europe and to major cities in the world. Therefore, the department is more or less having the requisite experience now to take care of any marketing requirement which we can consider. The only gap which I feel at this juncture is to provide for one cold storage here in Kachai itself. Because of rain, because of certain other hiccups that may come up, which may limit the smooth transportation or immediate transportation of harvested Kachai lemon from here to the factory in Imphal, it will be prudent to establish a cold storage here in Kachai itself. And therefore, the department will do that. Because of election and code of conduct, we will not make any announcement. But all this will be made by the department. For example, today we have this festival. It is co-sponsored by Northeastern Council, along with the state government, along with ICAR, NABARD, and various other organizations. And when agencies like this come together, I think it will be very good for the farmers of Kachai lemon as well as for other general farmers also. I am also aware that Kachai is not just famous for Kachai lemon. You also have ginger, you also have king chili, you also have various other products which are doing well. My department also has been helping you. As my project director mentioned, some 500 farmers have already been assisted for 4 horticulture products, and we will continue to do with that. In fact, I came into this department primarily because of the importance of horticulture. I was in industries department when we were doing various other activities, including international workshops, participated by 34 countries in Imphal, which was an event of its kind for the first time in Imphal. Thereafter, we had the CSR conclave both in Delhi and Imphal. And perhaps because of that, one day, Honorable Chief Minister asked me, which is the most promising or industry which Manipur can think of, or the most potential industry for Manipur. I told him it is an industry which does not come under the industries department. It comes under horticulture department. And I found myself in this department less than 1 month after giving him this information. And I feel so proud that our association in this department for the last about approximately 2 years has been very, very productive, despite the fact that 80% of these 2 years have been dampened by the COVID pandemic. I am also very, very proud of my colleagues, my officers who are so competent, so dedicated, that during the pandemic when the country faced a national lockdown, we could save many horticulture products from the farmers. Despite the curfew, despite the lockdown, we could send out teams to the villages, get their productions, store them in cold storages in Imphal, and send them on mobile sale within the city of Imphal. And in the process, we could help save many people from economic doom. I am also happy, particularly in the context of Ukrul, for example, that when Pay Village demolished the poppy cultivation, and when the Chief Minister was so happy, within 48 hours, my team of officers from Horticulture Department reached the village, and that village was rewarded initially with a cash award of 10 lakhs, followed by so many additional assistance, which has almost reached 1 crore now. Similarly for Kachai also, when I was looking into the assistance which have been provided for Kachai, it is almost reaching 1 crore now. But I am not mentioning this to give any hint that this is the end. I am only mentioning this primarily to give you a hint that you can take it forward. If you do even better, your partners will also follow you hand in hand. If you walk 5 steps, your partners also will walk 5 steps. So if you do well, the government and the department also will do well to help you out. I will say a few words in Manipuri also. I was initially requested, or rather suggested, that Manipuri may be better to communicate when it comes to the villages, but in my urge to say so many things which I had in mind, I missed that. Kachai da ai hak lakpasi taseng di Kachai di ai gidamakta khun atopagumba nate. I have friends aingonda ai gidamakta Kachai dagi marup mapang chahi nipu mamang dagi yam luna tinnaba mi kaya laikhrabani. Ngasi aina lakpasida sidasu mayamna ma kanano natraga ma hana lakhidabra handakta ahanbara adugumba wakhan khanba yai. Akhoigi organizing committee kangbuna igonda baton lakpa matamda my only reservation was, I told them, if I have a meeting which I have to attend, primarily because I githakta leiba kangbuna shinba adugumba natredi ai subsho shoidan lalakani aina haiki bani, primarily because I feel like I am part of this village because of my long time friends. I hagna 2001 dasu sansagi program da Kachai lakhi bani matamduda Kachai lemon gi phibam su haipet uki Kachai gi lemon sat basu ahakna uki bani matamduda aduga pickle saba mayam da ai taste tauki bani. 18 Kachai lemon festival gi khong da basida pickle gi phibam aduga process oina pack torega yamna phajaba mongda tasengnamak improve orega ubasida ahak yam nungaijare. Masi adu khakta natana stall si chani ga humpu muk leiri haibasi ai tasengna di ai ngakhi bani adana Kachai area da asuk yamna legani haibasi tasengna ai thajadabani ꯀꯣꯝꯄꯦꯌꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠꯇꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯀꯣꯝꯄꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯃꯦꯡꯂꯣꯡ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯇꯃꯦꯡꯂꯣꯡ ꯑꯣꯔꯦꯟꯖ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯎꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯀꯔꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯈꯟꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯎꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯕ ꯃꯦꯛ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯨꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ 15 ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯄꯦꯛꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯨꯠ ꯖꯨꯁꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯂꯤꯛꯂꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯕꯣꯇꯜꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯃꯦꯛ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯨꯠꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕ ꯃꯦꯛ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯨꯠ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯨꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯄ ꯀꯥꯕꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯁ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯦꯆꯤꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯂꯒ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯣꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯟꯊꯨꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯣꯗꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯦꯄꯦꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯦꯄꯜ ꯂꯦꯃꯟ ꯑꯣꯔꯦꯟꯖꯁꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔ ꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯥꯁꯥ ꯋꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛ ꯀꯆꯥꯏ ꯂꯦꯃꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯖꯨꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯄꯤꯀꯜꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯣꯃꯥ MIDH ꯏꯕꯥꯗꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕꯒꯨꯝꯅ 1.8 crore only from Kachai lemondagi phangba yaba fiomda lay masigi se koine hengatpa matamda aduga horticulture products se lemon khakta nataba kachai na puthokpa ngambase atoppa mayam su leiba madum mayam du to matamda hayeng Manipur ki socio economic particularly rural areas ta interior hill areas ta transform toba yagedaba se kachai lemon si one of the big catalysts oigedaba masi urega ngasi awaba marakta hana mamangei dagi wana lakchaba mayam si masi don't give up pothabiranu masi gisi hena makhatana maipak nama akhoi khud samminarega hotnaminasi haibasi ai mayam da haijage ai yam nungaijare particularly Kachai gi headman Sri Mingthang R Shimre aduga Kachai gi hereditary headman Mr. Wungchanso R Simre masisu magi mama se chahi kunthra manga nipu mamangda Shillong da khoi yum da lerambani Wantharla aduna I feel very close to Kachai ai Kachai ga yam nak naba aingonda adugumba relation leizere hariga ai khanjebani yamna harau tayamna okpirega simaina akhoi ga khud samnabagi tanja pibi damakta Kachai ge khulakpa Kachai ge praja mayam Kachai ge farmers mayam masi aina kachai hai mutam da kachai khun khak ta nate anak pa kachai area da leiba mayam asida lakpi reba tinbi reba mayam se taseng namak thagat chari. I also express my gratitude to my officers who have been extending yeoman help to the people of Kachai and its surrounding areas. Hayengi program sidasu yamna maruoiba beekeeping. Beekeeping sisu as an additional activity. Isha na hod na jaba agriculture oiro, horticulture oiro, main product gi mathakta additional item oina thamba yaba madugi khudong chaba suksoi soina lobiro hairaga I thamjage. Mathang akhoina ehak lakpa matamdadi suksoi soidana Manipur sida organic Manipur oinaba policy ama leirani madu makhada akhoina thoram kaya kaya paikhatnabagi plan si purega lakani haibai asasi mayamda thamjarega aswaida I tension jarage aigi department dagi festival gi damakta MoMA dagi amasung MIDS dagi mateng phangjarebasu akhoi officer sing nasu adug matik harau jabanina taseng na di si ai thandagi nati akhoi officer mayamna khaimin narega chief guest na pibiro hairaga aingonda sinabani mateng khara akhoi organizing committee da sen khara mateng pangjage aduga mathang da hen hen na mangoloi na ba technical port natraga yamna maruoi ba points hai I did the saying that horticulture ge expert natiko I am an administrator I do na I ngonda hangba mahota I gi technically competent oiba debadata lei loyal pa lei akhoi maning the second line of hang base khangdriba football ge kanu hai praman hai redi mayam la khangdriba Lionel Messi Ronaldo adugumba oiba yaba mayam phami bani makhoi gasu tana birega khudong chaba suksoi soidan lobiro hairigai mayamda thamjage aswaida mayamda harau ba phonglok charega tension jarega. Thank you so much. I'll hand over this to
Thank you so much, Bu Vaipai. We love you, and we still welcome and expect in the days to come as your homecoming again. We love you, and thank you so much. We look forward for your constant support and assistance in the days to come as well to bridge the gap with the rest of the world. Your marvelous contribution is indeed a magnificent. Thank you. Now, Arui Atam Hili, Karalong Bashina, Chief Guest Li, Ot Mingai de Leije, Jenachi Atam Jirakui Mirano. The Elders Forum Kachai has prepared as a token of love and appreciation for accepting the invitation. They want to show their love and appreciation. So, Arak Herlong Bashina, Asua Tam Jirakui Mirano.
Ihan han bada ishor bu yam thakache maram di 18 Kajai Limon Festival ki chief guest we kita pa ikai khumna ba ya ba ikhoi miyam ki chief guest pu kun asida leiri ba ahan singi mishikwina ahan mashi ling lamba pairamba Ipa ipushing masida amatishu laktri. Jihi kaya shukre mukwe mishik utaduna. Hojik liri ba ahan singashi matang Charles Pickett pa. Hey she ikhoina
ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯦꯡꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯐꯪꯕ ꯍꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ 18 ꯀꯖꯥ ꯂꯤꯃꯣꯟ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯄꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ
Thank you, Khararlong, for the wonderful gesture. We would like to continue to show our appreciation to a few people. We thank Sir Debadatta Sharma for the monetary support. We are very grateful and we ask of your continued support and guidance from you. Thank you, sir. We would like to appreciate Sir Nongthombam Premjit as well. If you are present here among the crowd, can you kindly come forward and receive our token of appreciation? Nongthombam Premjit. Thank you. We would like to show our appreciation to RK Sana Chauba. If you are here, can you kindly come forward and receive this token of gratitude? RK Sana Chauba. RK Sana Chauba. Thank you. Thank you so much. We will now have the vote of thanks from Mr. Mayangam Humau, Secretary, Kachai Fruit Farm and Processing Cooperative Society.
I, on behalf of the organizing committee, would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Sri B. Vaipai, sorry, Additional Chief Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, and Member Secretary Ibada, and BRVDP. Functional President Hani Jarat, Director, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. Our guest of honor, Sri K. Debata Duda Sharma, Project Director, MITH and MoMA, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. Sri N. Loyalakpa, Project Director, IBATA and BRVTP, Manipur, for sparing their valuable time to grace and chair this function. Dignitaries on the ties, district level officers, well-wishers, stall keepers, and every young and old present here. Thank you all for making this 18th Kachai Lemon Festival a grand success. Also, special gratitudes to our sponsors, Northeastern Council Shillong, Government of India through IBATA, MITH, MoMA, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Trade, Commerce and Industry Department, Government of Manipur, NAPART, MEX, ICAR, GAVK, UKRUL, for deputing scientists and giving us technical assistance. Special thanks to our Hetman Kachai Village and Village Authority for letting us to organize this festival and extending their cooperation. I would also like to thank Kachai Postholder Welfare Association for extending financial assistance or a kind of soft loan. Also, I would like to thank Kachai Gadam Naulong and Youth Club for helping out in kitchen management, stage management, and ground preparation. Christian Youth Society, Kachai Baptist Church, for arranging lodging for all the guests. Thaiva Dance Group for displaying traditional folk dance. DBSK student for welcome song. Horia Wan Pairei for the beautiful song. B.S. Joseph and Ningam Pairei for sharing their experience in lemon cultivation and encouraging our Kachai lemon growers. Reverend Sobrang Majuri, pastor for invocation prayer. Member of media fraternities, the Tangkhul Express for live coverage, the Impact TV, Dom TV, ISTV, Elite, Taudang, News 18. Thank you for encouraging us. We are further expecting for your cooperation in days to come. Most of all, I thank God, all honor and gratitude to God. Thank you all.
Thank you for the vote of thanks to Mr. Mayangam Humo. And also now we would like to hand over some basket of lemons to the dignitaries on the ties. So I give time to the Fruit Farming Committee. Yarili hidada program hi khakea ga sada lay ga issue with declaration of result hi vote of thanks marang ga sagi jine kha ashi hi calculate samhungai da ari himra jang thurei chena yari nang te da mukhui mi hayalo
Yari ngarai gisan masamilo itum ara best exhibitor we prize si yaumi khwai saura chena issue we kachai best liman bahiwa ari judges pingna athum calculate sam hungdale chena ari itum program hili manang mirror thura ka arama athum kup khai thili itumui ngayawi function lila chili itumna declare sami khwai saura ga hi yari li recap ta chithai ngai nei itum hui program hi kuplaga kupka sang wi seha hi itum wi ucharar reverend RR lirang na samira chena ara atam hi best exhibitor wi prize khayau wi atam saman khyaw wi atam chi rakhui kam yaur no ya really idada apologize sadale ka juwangla jiga itumui aju khangahan hiwi price arima mirror thura chena aramana mi ghai sara chena ara itumui program kupsang khawai itumui ucharer reverend RR lolina khangachang wi sia samira chiwi thili itumui auction wi program ji singaura
Tang pradana taushi. Tauchan ki mapan na daba ikoi pom no question be ishor. Na ki na mingi magta the my festival leibeshi shol nak payam thakache mashi ki demak da lakliba officer mayam delegate mayam mashu thakachere shol naki thorang ni ekhoi angang ulengai da chambara ki meming phawshu khanglamdi nak na hujek ti matam uire phok thok pa matam uire hana kachai lebak asida chambara si phahan basi shol naki naming chokhat nabni kachai ni shambane de nak na shambane nak na chauhan gadabni nak na stildi ba officer mayam na isha na haije bane haina khanda duna shol na aibu grit tauhan ning bagi masiba pomba khanghan buno haina khallaga sentuk pa yaba makai sentuk laga prithivi pomnamakta shol namin chuk ba usunu jigo local kitamak su kana pa usunu to khentok na sida sida leriba manipur government su pukning chingna wasi pai khatna ba shol na haki namin da hajibane toriba pomno kasi shol na haki namin tumukne ekhoi punsi nak khoya da leibane isha gi thobam thokpa matam da isha na ton kadaba to thologi shol nak ilabak chokhatna ba nak namin chokhatna ba uinna ba mayam bo por bene pio haina hojik aroi bashida ekhoi gi damak de sipi ba ishor jisu krista gi ming da haije bane amen.
Thank you so much.
Issue organizing committee we are the shira to report some of the shira to the second of the second. Romnau Bingli that the stays out with. Kashi Katana SBI account bank card Shamaya Kra issue we crown the Sili Atung Jili Atung the later late Jena the Kashi Katana Mina bank account money occur bank card Shamaya Atung Atung Jili high school we shame Jili Kala to the Jili Ashan Kunji Paira. Now we lead out of new subtly. Hassan the Pai and Ivan Achu, Moma we organic the Jaiman farming and cultivated approach to the training here. It's original
KG काय बोलतोय ना
Ayala Wena Kum delegates to lead up a moon such a leader. Ayala Wena Kum delegates to lead others to be organized so how is that country? Now, Minister Chile create Chile, not to Ivan, legacy, Bangan, run head legend and to the G, other. We sell over the Chile to be certainly. Ayala Wena Kum delegates to
Hello, Gary Christian Satellite entertainment and musical night Italy. Online may I say Aram Magazine. 5:30 p.m. the entertainment and musical night interesting may not high very important. Chini Hotay. Kaya siya naman yan ay Ito ay kung sa talaga na lang ito entertainment na musical night ito talaga na sa ito very
Shine your cheerfully, nơi cái dây ra rắn, ý ninh